Hi, welcome to Device Tech Tip channel. Today's topic is changing your YouTube video speed in Android device. I teach several classes locally with students who are over 50 to 60 and they like to be taught slowly. Therefore, I'm targeting my students and whoever is new to the device. I know some of you are thinking, you want to watch my videos but frustrated with my speed. There's a better way, and this will probably help you see my video more comfortably and not pass out. So let's get started. First, open this Google group icon. Tap this and tap YouTube. When you open your YouTube, tap on any video you like. In this case, I'm tapping my own video. You'll see the YouTube screen. Next, tap anywhere on the main YouTube screen. You'll see it change slightly. If it disappears, please tap on the screen again. Look for 3 dots on right-hand corner of YouTube screen. Tap that. It will pop up menu from the bottom. So please tap Playback speed. Another pop-up will show and you can choose different playback speed. My video is slow, so you might want to try the fastest, which is 2 times. Here's the example of my video played at 2 times the speed. Tap the magnifying glass to continue. On the next screen, it will say Zoom Cloud Meeting. This is the application you want to update. On the top right, if it says Open, then your Zoom is up to date. If you are still not sure, go and open Zoom application. Hopefully this will help you stay focused and not pass out in the middle of my video. When you are done, you can press home button on your Android device and go back to your main screen. Hope you liked my video today. If you're interested in seeing my coming videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.